What's up everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencia. Welcome back to True Nation Diaries. A mega love shout out mga ka-RCFC. Finally, we have the link of the duet performance of Ruel Carino and Karen Aistrup singing Something Stupid by their request. By request sa Eat Bulaga. Yes, finally. Itong ay by Frank Sinatra and Nancy Sinatra. So thank you so much, Mandong Labandera Vlogs, for uploading this. And of course, before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh my God, excited ako dito. Ang tagal yung nare-request to.
I know I stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening with me.
Oh my God! Uy, audience view to guys. Hindi siya yung mismong sa Eat Bulaga. So, medyo by audio but we can listen to it. Ang ganda ng combination ng vocals, the low tone of Ruel, and of course, harmonization by Karen. At terno sila guys. Parehas naka-green. Anong ibig sabihin nito, ha? Let's go back to that, guys. Ulitin natin.
I know I stand in line until you think
Di ba narinig yung mga tao kinikilig?
an evening with me.
Sweet! May kilig.
Because I'm wasting hands, I know that there's a chance you won't be leaving with me.
Oh my God! The eye contact, di ba? Nakita niyo naman ang tinginan na yun. Balikan natin. Titingin si Karen and then Ruel will look back. Pati sila Paulo kinikilig. Oh my God! Grabe ang eye contact, guys, ha? Ano to?
And then I go and swallow all by saying something stupid like I love you.
Oh, sana nagtinginan sila when they say, I love you. Ganon, di ba guys? Pero bata pa si Ruel. Bata pa rin naman si Karen. So, career muna at tignan natin, malay mo naman. They have the chemistry, guys. At parang siniship na ba sila ng Eat Bulaga, guys? Kasi pati sa outfit, there are color coordinated for today's video para sa kanilang duet. So, balikan natin yung part.
And then I go and swallow all by saying something stupid like I love you.
Cute!
I can see it in your eyes. You still despise the same old lies you heard the night before.
Ganda ng harmony ni Karen sa kanya.
It's just the lines you for me. It's true. It never seemed so right before.
Wow! Also, yung vocal ni Ruel, buong-buo. Kahit audience view to, guys, you can hear the enunciation, the diction. Grabe yung buong-buong boses ni Ruel. And of course, Karen on the other side is singing it with second voice in a way na bagay doon sa low tone ni Ruel. Tapos may kilig. Ang ganda ng chemistry, guys. Nararamdaman nyo ba? Comment down below kung nararamdaman nyo ang chemistry. Saka yung mga eye contact, oh.
And though it's just the lines you for me. It's true. It never seemed so right before.
Diba? Pati sila Maine at si Paolo kinikilig.
Practice every day to find some clever lines to say to make the meaning come true.
Woohoo! Sweet! At saka ang smile ni Ruel, oh. I can close up. Look at that eye contact. May chemistry talaga. It's overflowing chemistry. And the way that they sing it, very heartfelt. Oo, parang mini-min ni Ruel yung something stupid to say, I love you. Yes! Diba? Pati yung smile ni Ruel. Tignan niyo yung smile ni Ruel. In fairness, nagkakalaman na ulit si Ruel, guys.
The time is right, your perfume fills my head, the stuck in red and
love you. Parang may pagka-Jose Marichan yung vocal ni Ruel dito. One more time. Aww. Hindi sila nag-eye contact dun sa I love you na ano. Sa audience sila nag-I love you. Yes! But appear lang, dapat beso. Bagay sila, ano? Yes, bagay ba sila, guys? Comment down below and let me know in the comment section. There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino and Karen Aistrup for saying something stupid like I love you. Yes, binuo ko talaga yung phrase na yon. Bagay ba sila, guys? Kinilig ba kayo? Comment down below. Ano man sabi niyo? Parang napapadalas na ang duet nito ni Karen and Ruel. At for today's video, color coordinated sila, guys. Parang there's something na siniship ang Eat Bulaga with a new love team sensation. Yes, di ba? And now it's true singing. I hope they will do more full performance, no? Not only sa by request. Sana meron silang like special number together. Nakakanta silang dalawa. Not really like as a love team, but of course, to bring entertainment and kilig at the same time. O, kasi mga bata pa yun, and Ruel is just like 15 now, or yeah, 15 years old, guys, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. And Karen, I think, is 16. So, mga bata pa yung mga yun. So, okay lang yung kilig-kilig lang, but not really into serious. Like a tandem, di ba? Bagay naman sila in terms of their duets. And of course, si Riza din at saka si Ruel, when they sing together, ang ganda rin ng chemistry. So, I love it. Nag-enjoy ako. And thank you so much dahil meron na tayong link. Mga ilang araw din ako nagantay, guys. So, thank you so much for sending me the link for this performance. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Lacia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.